Hi, today we are going to be making yeast rolls, which I'm super excited about. I love yeast rolls. They're just so buttery and soft. This is my first time making them, but I have Brittany here to help me.
Hi.
And this is You're Stirring It Wrong. To get started,
What do we need first?
we need to get 1 cup of whole milk and warm it. We're going to pour 1 cup of milk and then 1 tablespoon of sugar and a packet of yeast. And then here's the whisk. We're gonna whisk it all together.
Okay. So then what do we do next with this? Because it's pretty much mixed.
A clean dish towel and cover it. We're gonna leave it to sit here for about 5 minutes. Board.
Oh, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Yay!
Okay, good. It's supposed to like get foamy on top. Do you think that looks foamy?
Yeah.
1 egg.
Ah.
Now you gotta go wash your hands.
Hands.
Wash your hands.
Wash hands.
Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of soft butter. It's salted butter too. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You need
How much?
1 cup at first, just to add it first. I don't normally do this, but it says to spoon it into the cup instead of like scooping it out because it's like better.
Better?
Like that way you don't pack in your flour
Oh.
because then it could make your bread dense.
Yeah.
Mix it. And if you don't have a stand mixer, you can also mix it by hand. This time to make it easier. Here you go.
Sounds good. Now do we stir it again?
No, we're gonna add 2 cups this time. Dang it, I almost scooped it again.
Haley!
I'm just so used to scooping the flour instead of spooning it in. It's so much easier too. Knife. Level. Bam.
Wow.
We're done with the flour for now, but we will need it later.
High or medium?
Medium.
I don't think it's done, Haley.
Well, some people don't even make it with the stand mixer, so you gotta knead it a long time.
I know, but I don't think it's ready for
You're kidding, right? This is not good. This is how you don't want to make your rolls.
Yeah.
It should be done now because it's coming off of the sides.
Test 2.
Hope for the best. 1 piece. Mostly.
Yep.
Perfect. Flour on the dough and flour in my hands. Oh yeah, this is so much better, see? So I'm grabbing it and folding it over and then you roll it, I think.
Ooh, fun.
This is so much better. Okay, more flour. I got to the sticky side. Yeah, I think the flour on top of the dough really helps, but do not forget it. You need a lot more flour than you think. For like extra, you need 3 cups for the dough, but you're gonna need a lot extra. So I'm like rolling it and pushing, and then I roll. Even if this is not the technique they used, this is my technique. I came up with it. Gonna put this in here, turn it over. Gonna make sure the top is smooth. I'm gonna coat the whole thing in oil. And of course my bowl is oiled. I'm just like tucking all the ends underneath so that the top is smooth. Now we're going to let the dough rise. It should double in size. It's gonna take like 1 or 2 hours after we cover it. Cover. And we're gonna let it rise. Back.
Okay, final review. Ready?
I already
Ready?
peeked.
Oh,
It's like giant.
Like,
Now,
it's so big.
the first step is to punch it.
Like that?
Yeah, to release all the air. See how much it deflated? Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna take it away, and because we put the olive oil, it's not sticking. Now we're gonna cut it in half. Okay, wait.
Here.
Okay, wait, don't put your fingers near the knife. Okay, there.
I'm trying to help you pull it apart.
Okay. And then form it into a ball again. So you get a baking dish and you grease it. And then we're gonna put the rolls in there to proof again. And I'm going to, this is the final step of shaping the rolls, so now you can make them look pretty. We're gonna cover this, and it's gonna sit for 1 hour. Thank you to Jerry for providing snacks. I'm going to put the rolls in the oven for about 20 minutes, or until they're like golden brown.
This one especially.
These are extremely hot, so it's like burning my fingers. No, they're mine. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Does it smell good? These are super good. Do not forget to brush them with tons of butter.
A lot better.
And I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for baking with us, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.